Skincare Nigeria Limited. No, but don't forget, I always tell you, we are global, not limited. We are global because nothing's gonna limit us. You know what I mean? Okay, if today is your first time you come into this channel, I say very big welcome to you. Alright, a very big welcome to you. Don't forget that here we come to learn and get the best from the channel. That is what we do in here. In as much, we have to make up a time for it, but it's a learning class. All right, today in a quick one, I want to just tell you the honest truth that I have a new package for you. Though maybe I've done this video before some time ago, I don't know, but the pressure on me now is much that I should make a DIY on this lotion. See, Gluta White. So we'll be making what they call white sensation skin lotion. White sensation skin lotion. You know, a lot of us, we have this sensitive skin, you know, that can easily react to some solutions we wear on our body. So that's one reason I said, okay, this formula I've tested it, and which is a very nice one, it works. So without wasting much of our time, let's go to the class. So we want to make a white sensation cream solution, whatever you call it, but try to know for a sensitive skin. That's what we want to make this cream for. So look at it. First of all, we'll be using our Gluta White as our cream base. You know, this Gluta White have a tendency of making you naturally, making you light. Alright? That's why they say Gluta White. You know, it whitens some people, it all depends on skin type. Okay? Yes, it all depends on skin type. You have this tendency of making you light. It can lighten you also. This Gluta White. Are you getting it? We'll be making use of this Gluta White. Then we'll be making use of this lemon clear. I don't know if you're seeing clear. Right, I'm going to show you now. Okay, lemon clear. See, I'm making use of this. Right, we'll be making use of the oil also. This is the tube. This is the oil. Okay. And you know, these are lightening property. Like, honestly, if you're doing lotion, making any lotion, promising any lotion, try to use this. Are you getting it? Why I like this oil and this tube, they don't give you any reaction or maybe any pigmentation or blemishes or whatever you might think of. Unlike other ones that if you use them, before you know it, you'll be having some kind of reactions from your skin, right? But this, not at all. You can always trust them, use them. These two. I will be using also, it's still a light, also, it's still a lightening property. It's a lightning for lightning. This is Koji Clear. You can say Koji Clear. Okay. Alright, Koji Clear. You can see it. This is a tube. If you want to use the oil also, you can use the oil. Right? Okay. So also we'll be using T3, and we'll be using our beauty series skin oil. We'll use this one. So how do we go about it? We'll be using our argan oil. Right? And we'll be using our perfect leg. This is for face. You see? This one is for face, Shenic glycerin. You know, we have different type of Shenic, and we'll be using also this one. This is for leg, all right? The fat leg, and we'll be using this. Okay. So first of all, what do? You open all of this one into a bowl. Put all of it inside a bowl. All, mind you, all. All right. Then after that, you put this. Now you cannot put your tube. You cannot put tube, I would want you to do it this way. Take half from here, take half from here. Alright? You're supposed to just use one tube. But take half from here, take half from here. Then you stir. You stir after a couple of minutes, you stir properly. Then you can put your oil. Are you getting it? When you put your oil like this, not all, 1 spoon. 1 spoon. Alright? 1 spoon. Okay. Then you can also put your argan oil, 2 spoon. Alright? 2 spoon. Okay. And after that, when you put that, you stir for a while. When you finish that, then you cannot put your text, because this cream we're making is not just for face or body alone. It's unifying. Are you getting it? And this one, no any color or skin discoloration, no, none of that. So we have to, no redness, no green vein. So how do we achieve that? So you just have to put this 2 spoon. Alright? Okay. And you don't know what this meant for. So you put this, if you don't know, so take off, stretch mark, green vein, anything vein, you take off it out. Are you getting it? So then you put this one 2 spoon either. Are you getting it? Right, fine. Then your beauty series, you put 2 spoon. Put your 2 spoon of your beauty series. Then you put just 4 drop of your tea tree oil. You can use any other essential oil, lavender. Even if you use lavender, I would want you to put this, because dates is very strong also. Are you getting it? So you put 4 drop, just only 4 drop. Then you stir properly. When you stir properly, for me, I would want to say, hence, it's not one-time usage. So you can always put you put your what's this other? We have different type of preservative, to preserve it. Are you getting it? We have German Plus. Are you getting it? We have German Plus. We have other one too. So I would want to use German Plus. So you put your preservative like 1 spoon, right? Just 1 spoon, and stir properly. Stir very well. And after that, I think we done. We done. Then we've done this lotion. It's ready. It's ready. So people will be finding it, man, can I really do this? Very simple. And trust me, you'll be using this. Sorry to say, you also add your what is it called? You put your aloe vera. So if there's any reaction, maybe any hotness, aloe vera, the tendency of aloe vera to cool the skin, right? To cool the skin. So and all what we've used already, there's nothing like it's gonna give you reaction. There's any hot oil in here, right? So, but yet again, for some persons, so you can just put that. Also, I didn't even talk about it, but it's necessary you put it to always cool the skin. Are you getting me? Yes, to cool every temperature, right? Okay, so you put just 1 spoon and stir. So that is it all. That is it all. So if you find anything difficult about it, you can always write me on that WhatsApp. Just write me, WhatsApp me, ask any question you want to ask, or you want to buy any of these items, you want to buy them. Understand that we sell it also, and we ship everywhere. So I say a very big thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Until we come your way next time. Bye bye.